I like to say every time you hand somebody a piece of information, you're handing them an 8-pound bowling ball. And if you hand them too much information, it's literally like handing them too many bowling balls. They will drop them all. And so you've got to be very careful about how you piecemeal information to your clients, and everything has to be associated with their survival. If you use inside language, it's like taking a bowling ball and wrapping it in Vaseline and handing it to somebody. They can't get purchase on it and they drop it. The reality is people are bouncing off our websites. They're listening to our sales pitches. They're listening to our elevator pitches. They're reading our sales proposals, which most of them, 90% of these sales proposals, Scott, are horrible. The very first page of the sales proposal talks all about you and the company and doesn't talk about the problem that the customer is trying to solve. The very first page of that sales proposal should say, if I've heard you correctly, here's your problem. Here's the climactic scene that you're wanting to experience. And here's my plan to help you experience that climactic scene, and our products fit into that plan. That's the formula for a sales proposal that works.